So how do you find extensions on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new to the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss the next videos like this one. But essentially, the extensions can be installed to the iPad's Safari web browser. In fact, if you are updated to the latest iPadOS 26 and if you go to the Safari and open a brand new tab, it's possible that you're going to see the suggestion to explore some of the Safari's extensions. But that's okay even if you don't see it, because you can still open up your settings and go to the apps section entirely at the bottom of the list, where from all of the possible apps, you can go to the Safari section. And right there, you can also find the extensions, which of course are from Safari. So you can manage those which already are installed, like you can enable them and whatnot. But you also have the ability to explore more extensions right there. So you have some recommended, but you can click on more extensions, which moves you over to the App Store, but specifically to the Safari extensions section. So you can just basically install these as separate apps, but you of course know that they will come with a extension for Safari. The thing is that some people would expect the Google Chrome extensions to also work on the iPad, but this is not really the case. The iPad is still technically not a full-fledged computer, so it doesn't work that way, right? So you can only add extensions to the Safari built-in browser, not to the third-party Google Chrome. But that's it from me. I just wanted to show you and explain to you how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have any additional questions. Subscribe for next tutorials like this one, and I'll see you later.